Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. I did take a little bit of a break, but I am ready to get back into things. This is about 26 days worth of grow out. This is builder gel, this is gelish builder gel, and this is the best retention that I've had yet with builder gel. Like I said in my last video, I'm not a huge expert on it, but I do really like the product. However, I have noticed one thing about it, and I didn't say anything at first. I just wanted to see if it was like a skill issue, if it was just something I was doing, or if it's the product. But this builder gel is a soak off product, and oh my goodness, it is so hard to get off. I did do my best taking down the bulk of it with my e-file, and then obviously wrapped it with pure acetone, and it just was not coming off. Ultimately, I had to hand file it down and then use a buffing block and try to get it as close to the nail plate as I could. But it was just really confusing because it's supposed to be soak off, but it's really difficult to soak off, and I don't know why. And this time I had a lot of broken nails underneath of the builder gel, so my nails grew out very nicely, but then I had to cut them all down to short nail length again, which is frustrating because I'm trying really hard to grow my nails out, but I don't think that the builder gel is working for me right now. I noticed that after I gave birth a few years ago, my nails have been terrible. They've been thin, fragile, they break really easily. I'm just trying to figure that out still. I think the solution, my husband will tell me this, he'll be like, take your vitamins. And yeah, I think at this point I just need to take some vitamins and put something on top of my nails to help them not break. I was very lucky to treat myself to some new nail products recently, so I will be showing that today. My solution to my nail problems right now is this tinted rubber top coat from Kiara Sky. Now, I'm a little bit skeptical about rubber base top coat, whatever. I'm a little bit skeptical about it because I'm afraid it's going to be a little bit similar to structure gel, but we'll see. I'm trying a new thing. I am remaining optimistic about it. Obviously, you can see on the bottle, I bought this in the color Sweet Lullaby. So upon first glance, I can already tell that this is nothing like structure gel. This is a lot thinner. I also bought myself 4 gel polishes. 3 of them are from their new HEMA-free gel polish line, and then the other one is the magnetic cat eye gel that's been out for a while now. I did want to show you all the difference in the formula between the old one and the new one because it is a huge difference. The formula for the original gel polish line is very runny. As you can see, this dripped into the bottle twice. And even when I'm using it, applying it on myself, or when I'm making videos with the press-on nails, they do have a tendency to drip down the brush at the top and the plastic part. Before I show you the formula that's in the new gel line, I'm going to show you what I bought. I bought True Black, and then I bought Pining for You, a beautiful green color. I literally don't own green at all. This is my first actual green color, and so I'm very excited. You are going to see this in a lot of nail videos for Christmas time. And I'm just showing you the bottom of the black gel bottle. And this one, I am obsessed with it. It is so sparkly and beautiful. I'm excited for it. I'm going to open it up and show you guys what the formula looks like in this gel bottle because it is so different and it's so nice. Upon initial inspection, it does not have a crazy gel polish smell to it. And as you can see, it is not very drippy at all. It is very self-leveling. It stays put. I really like the new gel bottles. They're velvety and soft in your hand. They feel so nice. And so far, I haven't had any issues with the brushes screwing back on improperly. With the old bottles, I have had several bottles where the brush will not go back on properly. It either pops back up or it spins and spins and spins into oblivion. Now that we've got my mini haul out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and start the application for the rubber top coat. I'm going to use the Jelly Tip Prep and the primer because I think on the website that's what I saw them using. I could be wrong. I know I live by my Gelish pH Prep and primer, but I am going to stick to the system today. Yes, I know my nails look crazy. I have been going through it with this builder gel, but that's not the point of this video. So it says on the bottle to just put a little dab of the prep in the middle of each nail, so that's what I'm doing. Then I felt a little weird about only putting a little bit in the center, so then I went through and put it on my whole nail. Next is the primer, which you're supposed to apply from the cuticle down to the free edge. I saw in a video somewhere of someone saying that you should apply primer in like a circle and then go down the middle, so that's just the way that I've always done it for years now. I don't know if it makes a difference, but here I am. Now I'm going to apply the rubber top coat, but first I would like to make it clear that I'm not doing a serious application video today. My nails are so short, it wouldn't even matter. I'm just going to do 2 thin overlay layers on my nails, but I promise once my nails grow out much longer, I will do like a little tutorial, show it off a little bit. So the initial layer is as described on the bottle. It is tinted. It is a very delicate color. So this product has the new fiber precision brush, and so far I'm really liking it because it does make it a lot easier to apply the product up towards the cuticle without over flooding the cuticle with product, which is something I think a lot of us struggle with when it comes to gel enhancements. I'm watching this clip while I'm doing my voiceover because I record and then I do my voiceovers afterward. I'm paying closer attention to how I'm applying the product, and I'm actually really impressed with how self-leveling this rubber top coat is, because you put it on and it does not spread. You're not having to chase it. It's not like builder gel or structure gel or even hard gel. Hard gel, depending on the viscosity, like you have to chase it. So I'm just very impressed by that. As always, I save my thumb for last so that way we don't mess her up in the process. After I applied the first layer on each nail, I am going back and doing a second layer. This is what it looks like after 2 thin layers. This does not have a sticky layer after it's done curing. You can just put it on and go, but I'm going to be applying a design on top of my nails, so I am lightly buffing the shine off of my nails with a buffing block. For the base color of my design, I am using the color True Black from Kiara Sky's new Gel Pro collection. I am very excited to try this. The formula of their old polishes is not amazing, so I have high hopes for this. They're supposed to be very self-leveling and extremely pigmented. I feel like black gel polish is like the ultimate test for any nail brand, and this one did not disappoint. It applied very smoothly, and like I said, it's self-leveling and it didn't spread everywhere. haven't mentioned this, but I am using my full-size Kiara Sky lamp to cure this. The polishes have to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, for a while I thought there was something wrong with my lamp because the original Kiara Sky gel polishes, some of them would not like cure properly, and I thought it was either my lamp or it was me. But I'm starting to think it's just the formula. Like for polishes that are more heavily pigmented, I read somewhere that you should cure them for a longer time because of all the pigment in it. It takes a little bit longer for like the UV, LED, whatever to polymerize. So just as an example, I have their color Black Tie Affair in the gel polish. It is a black gel polish, so when I would cure it, and if I was doing like a design on top, sometimes I would wipe the tacky layer off first, but then when I would wipe the tacky layer off, all of the pigment would literally come with it, and then I was left with nothing on my nail. It was weird. After I applied my base color, I am taking the Magnetic Effects Cat Eye Gel in the color Mist Me, and I'm applying that on every single nail. Now, I did want to make sure that this color wasn't going to do any pigment transfer like some of the other polishes that I have. So after I applied it, I just wiped my brush a little bit on my mat, and I didn't see any black pigment on it, so that is a good sign. I know that pigment transfer can be normal, but like I said, literally the whole entire color was coming off. It was crazy. A little bit of pigment color, that's fine, but the entire thing is just wild to me. On my ring finger, I am taking some of my Bling It On gel so I can apply a polar glass onto my nail. At the time of recording this, that piece of polar glass has fallen off. I am very sad about it. Next time, I will do better. For the rest of the design, I am using my silver chrome gel paint. I really wish I had the stuff to do like the 3D chrome because this design would have looked so much better if it had some dimension to it, but I'm just using what I have. I really wish I had taken my time and been a little more patient with the chrome paint because it is definitely sloppy. And I was running out of energy. It was like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night while I was doing this. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know what the heck I was painting on my thumbnail. I just didn't want it to be plain. So yeah. Now finally I am going in with my non-wipe top coat. No, I'm not doing my other hand in this video. It's gonna take too long to make a video that way. It would take me like 2 days, honestly, because it took me 2 days to do my other hand. If I were to do both hands in one video, it'd probably end up being like a 40-45 minute long video. But right now my retention in videos isn't super long just because I haven't found my audience yet, which I'm sure I will very soon. Just take some time and I have to keep at it. Now here is the final reveal. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to all of my subscribers. Every time I get another subscriber, I feel so giddy inside and it just makes me so happy and I'm extremely thankful. So I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.